Today's topic is framing word problems. What's that? Framing word problems. It's very innovative and more creative and very interesting topic. Okay, because we are only creating one story for the given clues. Okay, that is idea behind this. Okay, what is that? Framing word problems. You have to frame question of your own creativeness by using your own creativeness. They will give you just clues. Okay, let us take one example. Here they have given one example, that is Sia. They have given an example here. We'll take other name, Ria, 1530 marbles. Like this, they will give you just clues. By using these clues, you have to what? Frame a question. We'll change this as Sia. Ria, Sia. Okay, so 1273 total. So they have given this clue. Understand? So what is the main thing we have to follow here is we have to create one story, or we have to create one our own creativeness. We have to frame the word problem. It is very simple and very interesting. Okay, so what are the given clues for us? Ria is given, Sia is given. Both are name category, right? And some amount they have given, some number 1530, 1273, like that they have given. And about what? About marbles. Okay, this is the main thing. And they are asking total. Okay, it is very, by looking this clues only, you have to decide which type of a question we have to what? Frame. That is very important. So Ria, Sia, numbers given, marbles given. So total given means we have to find what? Total number of marbles, right? So this is what like analyzing the given clues and making our own creative ideas, we are framing this question. Okay, so what we'll do here, how you are framing the question? So Sia has question framing. Sia had, sorry, first we'll take Ria. Okay, first we'll take a Ria. Ria had 1530. What it is? Number of marbles. 1530 marbles. Okay. Okay, fine. And Sia had how much? Sia had 1273 marbles. Okay, marbles. So this is what. Now what we have to do? How many total marbles? How many total marbles? How many total marbles did they have? Did they have? They have. This is what? One type of a question. It is not compulsory that so this same question you also frame. Okay. No. It's your own creativity. You can change the number also. You can change the names also. Just one thing you have to remember, without disturbing the clues, whatever the materials they have used, that all words it should come under your question. And You have to frame one interesting word problem. Okay, that's what. Riya had 1530 marbles and Sia had 1273 marbles. So how many total marbles did they have? Okay, this is a one type of a question forming. Okay, you can create your own creativeness and you can change this also. Okay, I will write one more, or that is I will change this. It is not compulsory that you have to take Riya as 1530 only. No, it is not like that. So you can change the name also, and you can combine with another name also, and you can frame how you want, but it should be what? Systematic way. So what is that? One more thing, that is Sia. I will take Sia as 1530. Okay. Sia had Sia had 1530. What it is? Marbles. That you have to mention. Okay. So, marbles. And Ria had Ria had 1273 marbles. Okay. Okay. Find total number of marbles. Find total number of marbles. Marbles. Like this also you frame the question. No problem. So only one thing we have to remember. Using all the clues, we can frame our new story, new word problem, new question. Okay. No need to prefer the first word as related with this first number only. No. You can change, vice versa also possible. And you can, how you want, you can frame, but it should be meaningful. That is very, very important. What it is? Total they are asking, no. So at last we have to find the total only. Like that it should be. The question should be the same meaning it comes at the end. So here also we are using like a Ria had 1530 marbles and Sia had 1273 marbles. How many total marbles did they have? This is a question. So one more question how I frame is the Sia had, instead of Ria I took here Sia had. This same number I am relating with the Sia. Okay. Marbles, and Ria had 1273 marbles. Find total number of marbles. Okay. Like this also you can form the word problem. Very interesting, and you can enjoy while forming these questions. Okay. So it's very interesting. Try to solve. We'll take a one more example. Okay. Let us see one more example of the same kind. So, they have given the clues like this two. They have given town, okay, then men, woman, woman. So, they have given the number also, 3,927 total population. Okay. So this is what the given clues. Okay. By using these clues, you can frame story of that word problem. You can, however it is possible, you can frame by using your own creativeness, own ideas, you frame this word problem. Okay. How we can write? It's my own way of writing, that is question. How you are framing this? Town were given, Town men, women 5043, 3927 total population. Okay, so by using these clues we have to frame one word problem. Okay, how we'll follow that? In a town, in a town, okay, in a town 5043 men's are there. Okay, men's. In a town 5000 number of men's, you can write number of men's are, like that also you can frame, no problem. So in a town number of men's number of men number of men is equal to 5043, sorry, and number of women, number of women 3927. Okay, now find the total population of the town. Find the total population. Find the total population of the town. Okay. So in a town, number of men 5043 and number of women 3927. Find the total population of the town. Okay, this is how I formed that word problem. Even you can change this number also, like a men, instead of taking a 5043, you can take 3927 also. And for women, you can change this number as 5043. Okay, like that also you can change. It's your own creativeness how you will form this question. Okay, so hope you all can able to form a new word problems. This if I given a clues for you, you can able to what, write that, create that new word problem. Okay, use your what, creativeness and thinking, analyze that whatever the given clues, based on that you have to frame a word problems. Okay, hope you understand this. Students, our next concept is finding the missing numbers. Okay, so what is that? Finding the missing number. Finding the missing number. So, example, when a greater number and the difference are given. When the greater number and difference are given. Okay, when the greater number and the difference are given. So how will you solve that such type of a sums? We'll take one example. Okay, there will be one example. What is that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay. So now they have given 2000, 435. Okay, and here they have given this box we have to find. These are the missing numbers. We have to find this missing number. That is important part here. Okay. So, you know very well, this is a greater number, this is a smaller number, and this is a difference, right? So, to get the smaller number, what we have to do means subtract the difference from the greater number. What we have to do? They have given this difference also, that is 1214. Okay, this is what? It is what? The greater number. This is greater number. Okay, then this is the difference. This is the difference. We have to find the smaller number. What we have to find? The smaller number. That is subtrahend we have to find. For that, what we have to do? When they given the greater number and the difference, both are they given, how you are solving that type of a sums, let us see. This is the greater number, that is called a minus, right? And this is the smaller number, that is called the subtrahend, and this is the difference. You know better, right? So now to find this missing numbers, how you are going to find that? Yes, there is a one method, that is we have to subtract this difference from this greater number and you will get this smaller number. Let us see how we'll do that. See, here we'll write that greater number is 2435, right? And this difference is 1214. Okay. So you know this 5 minus 4 it is 1. Okay. And 3 minus 1 it is 2. 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay. 2 minus 1 it is 1. So our answer is 1221. So this is what our smaller number. These four numbers are missing here. 4 digits are missing. So we are finding the method, that is we are subtracting the difference from this greater number and automatically we will get this answer. What is that? 1221. Still, if you have a doubt that whether these numbers are correct or not, they are suited for this column or not. So how you are going to check? You know, our as usual, our checking method is there, no? From that we can check. So let us see the checking method. How we'll solve that? We'll write here checking method. Okay. See. Okay. So you know that difference and the smaller number. What is that? Smaller number. Smaller number. Difference and plus smaller number will give the greater number. That is our checking method steps, right? So we'll follow that. So what is the difference here? 1214, right? And what is the smaller number here? 1221, right? So by adding these two, whatever we are getting, no, that is what our greater number. Let us check whether it will come 2435 or not. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. 2 plus 2, it is 4. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Yes. We got the same answer. Hence, whatever we already got the missing numbers as 1, 2, 2, 1, are they correct or not? Yes, they are absolutely correct one. We confirmed it, no, by our checking method. Yes. So no need to afraid whether whatever I found that missing numbers, it is correct or not. How you are going to find? By using checking method. If you know this checking method, and if they are given the greater number and the difference, that time you can, how you are going to find the smaller number also, you already seen here, and also this checking method also. Okay, hope you understand this, how to form this, how to get the answer when they have given the greater number as well as the difference. Okay. Students, already we just now observed that when the greater number and the difference are given, how we are going to find the missing number. Just now we seen. Now the second example is based on how when the smaller number and the difference are given. The case 2 is when the smaller number based on what? When it is a second type of example where when the smaller number and the difference are given. Okay, this is the second one. When the smaller number and the difference are given, that time how you are going to find that missing number? Let us see. So this is what ones, they have given ones, tens place and hundred place value and this thousand. Okay. So from this, what you will do? You are writing in a systematic way of given. That is, you are going to find the greater number here. Understand? So what you are going to find? The greater number by using this smaller number and the difference. So what are the given numbers? 2, 4 and 2, 5. Okay, this is the given number. And they are already given this difference also 3, 3, that is 3364. Okay. So this one. Now, how you are going to get this greater number? As you know that to get the greater number, what we are doing, this is what the difference, right? This is what the difference. This is the smaller number. That is smaller number. Okay, this is difference. So, how you are going to get this greater number? Yes, have any idea about this? So, greater number. So, how you are going to do this? Yes, our commonly what we are using, the checking method is applied here. What is that? We are adding these, when these two numbers were given, we are adding these two to get this greater number. Our as usual checking method will apply here. Okay, let us see how we'll solve that. Let us once, that is the, okay, difference. Take a difference first. What is our difference? Difference is 3000. We'll make a columns ones and tens and hundreds and thousand. Okay. So we'll make this column first. Neatly we are to arrange this. We are going to add here. So we'll put this sign. And now take this difference 3364. Okay. This is what? Our difference. This is our difference. Okay. Next, we have to write the smaller number. This is our difference. Next, the smaller number. What is our smaller number? Yes, 2425. 2425. Okay. So now you are going to add this. That is 5 plus 4, it is 9. So it is 8. This is what? 7. This is what? 5. So 5789 is our answer. So now got our missing numbers, that is 5789. Okay. So this is how we are solving when the smaller number and the difference are given, how we are finding the missing numbers, that is the greater number. Okay, like this way you have to follow to find the greater number. Understand? So hope you understand this. Students, based on the framing of the word problems and this finding the missing number, just now we learned that, and in this finding the missing numbers we have some here examples. You have to note down this homework and solve. Okay, this is finding the missing numbers. This you have to solve. Okay, only 3 sums are there. Okay, so we'll write this. Solve exercise 2.14. Find the missing number. Find the missing number. Okay. So this you have to solve. These 3 sums you have to find this missing number. Solve in this textbook only. Okay. Hope you will solve this.